I bet you're wondering what we're doing with all this stuff. What do you think we're going to make with clothespins, wood glue, black tape, a plastic spoon, binder clips, rubber band, and a popsicle stick? We are going to make a catapult! You need to do 4 popsicle sticks together, and you need to do that 3 times. One down, 2 more to go. I hate getting stuff on my hands. I think my mommy should straighten it out. If you get too much glue on it like I did, make sure you get a mommy or daddy to spread it out. Alright, last one. Binder clip to hold the popsicle sticks while they dry. And while we wait for it to dry, let's give out a shout out for Selena and Kaden. Thanks for being my 50th subscriber. So now it's dry. Take the clothespin and squeeze it and then put it. Do that to the other side. Now let's take the other popsicle stick and put it on the other side of the end of the catapult. So it needs to look like this. For this next part, we need to take 2 clothespins and clip it on together. Do that to the other side. Now it should look like this. So you're going to take the last popsicle stick and put it like this. We put a glue in some of these corners so it could stay together better. Squeeze the little binder clip on the spoon. It should look like this. Get mommy or daddy to take off these 2 silver things off of the binder clip. Take one of the binder clip and put it on the bottom like this. So you're going to take the spoon and take the tape and wrap it around this silver thing. Let's start wrapping around the tape around the spoon. So you put it on really tight. I think the spoon is on there really good. We're almost done. So you're going to take another binder clip and clip it on the top of it. So you're going to take a rubber band and put it underneath. Make sure it's right underneath the binder clip. For this next part, you have to connect it to the top of this binder clip. This is what it should look like right now. A small ball like this is perfect for the catapult. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Some cups over there. Do you think I would get the ball in one of those cups? Maybe I'll make it this time. I don't know. Oh no! I have a bucket of balls. One of these has to make it.
You did it!
That's one. Let's do another one.
Oh! That's two!
This one. Oh. Out of all these balls over here, I only made two. Now let's see if Mommy can do better.
It fell out. So put it in there. I got one. I did it! It's two!
Two! No! No! Try to do more.
That's four?
Yeah.
Last one. Last
I hope you
one.
miss.
Ah.
Well, Mommy got four. No way, I couldn't even get that. I hope you make your own catapult. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe.